Good evening, friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In the series of income tax cases, the case which we are going to discuss today is RS Diamonds India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. And this case has been reported in 98 ITAT Tribunal at page number 505, and the matter has been reported in Mumbai ITAT. The decision of the case came on 26th July 2022. This is a very recent judgment, and the logic of taking this case for my deliberation is that this is related to the cash deposit during the demonetization period. In this particular case, the assessee was a diamond merchant. The diamond merchant deposited 45 lakh rupees into the bank account during the demonetization period. The case was selected for scrutiny, and the explanation for rupees 45 lakh deposit was asked from the assessee. The assessee said that the assessee was having some cash in hand on the date of the start of the demonetization, and apart from that, due to the panic situation into the country, the people came to him and gave the advance for the purchase of the diamond jewelry. After receiving the advance from the customers, the assessee issued bill to them and sold the diamonds to them. When the assessing officer asked the details of the persons who have purchased the diamond and gave the advance to the assessee, the obvious explanation of the assessee was that because the cash received from each customer was below 2 lakh rupees, that's why the assessee was not in a legal obligation to collect the details from the customers. And if he would have asked these details from the customers, then it may happen that they have not purchased goods from him. So, in the nature of the business of the assessee didn't receive the KYC details of the customers, because if he has asked these details, then it may happen that they would not have purchased the diamonds from them. So, when the assessee gave this explanation, the AO was not convinced, and he made the addition of rupees 45 lakh under section 68. The section 68 is very dear to the income tax department, because in this case, when the section 68 is levied on the assessee or imposed on the assessee, the department has a free hand to apply section 115 BBE, in which the 60% tax rate is there. So, in most of the cases, the department tries to apply section 68 and 69 family so that section 115 BBE can be attracted. When the assessee went to the CIT appeal for this section 68 addition, the CIT appeal was also not convinced with the version of the assessee and sustained the addition. So the aggrieved assessee went to the Mumbai ITAT. The Mumbai ITAT said that the assessee has given a plausible explanation. The department has not brought any adverse findings against the version of the assessee. The books of the assessee has not been rejected. The sales declared by the assessee has not been rejected. So when the sales has been taken by the assessee in its profit and loss account, then the same income cannot be taxed under section 68, and application of section 115 BBE is not allowed. The ITAT emphasized that without rejecting the books of accounts, if the department makes the addition under section 68 in these type of cases, then it is not warranted and it is not as per the law. So the ITAT deleted the addition made by the assessing officer and said that in this case, the assessee is discharged his duty for the amount which has been credited into the books of accounts into the form of cash deposited by the assessee during the demonetization period, and the assessee was not bound to give the details of the customers from whom the assessee has received the advance from for the sale of the diamond. Friends, this is a very welcome judgment, because this is related to the demonetization period. A lot of matters are there which are there for the cash deposit during the demonetization period, and the department has more or less made the additions for all those cases. So this case can be a milestone case for in those cases. In this case, a very important judgment was also mentioned by the Mumbai ITAT. The name of the judgment is Assistant CIT versus Hira Panna Jewellers 2022. Friends, at the end of this video, I am once again repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is RS Diamonds India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. Thank you, friends.